Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a deep dive into the Wisely Debit Card, a prepaid payroll and debit solution offered by ADP, promising features like early pay, no overdraft fees, and budgeting tools. Wisely has become a well-known alternative to traditional bank accounts, especially for gig workers, seasonal employees, or those without easy access to traditional banking. But is it truly as beneficial as it sounds? We're going to unravel its history, reveal how it actually works, share real user experiences, lay out its pros and cons, expose its pricing structure, explore viable alternatives, and ultimately determine whether it's worth your time. Before we get started, please note this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. All details and opinions I present are based on credible sources, user reviews, official documentation, and verified third-party insights. This is not financial advice, just a thorough, fair review to help you make an informed decision. The Wisely Debit Card is a prepaid debit card enabled by ADP, one of the largest payroll processing companies in the US. It originated as part of ADP's effort to offer employees without traditional bank accounts a way to access their wages electronically, without checks or traditional direct deposit. Structured as a reloadable prepaid card, Wisely is issued via Fifth Third Bank or Pathward North America under Visa or MasterCard networks. Unlike a conventional debit card tied to a checking account, it's classified as a prepaid product, eliminating concerns like overdraft fees or credit checks. It's uniquely built for flexibility. Eligible cardholders can receive early direct deposit again and again, even if they switch employers, making it a versatile tool for unbanked and banked alike. At its core, Wisely allows users to set up direct deposit for their paychecks, which are deposited directly into the prepaid card. One of the headline features is the option to get paid up to 2 days early, assuming the employer's payroll provider allows for it. This early access can be a lifesaver for managing tight cash flow. Financial transparency is a key benefit. The Wisely platform has no minimum balance requirements and no common fees such as annual fees or in-network ATM charges. Plus, it includes features like real-time fraud alerts, instant card lock or unlock via app, and FDIC insurance for funds. Beyond basics, Wisely offers tools for managing money more intelligently. You can pay bills through their app or via third-party bill pay service, schedule transfers, track spending, and even save using a savings envelope feature that lets you automatically allocate cash for future use. The card also earns rewards when you purchase e-gift cards through the app, some offering 2 to 12% cashback. You can add the card to mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, use it at surcharge-free ATMs nationwide, and even receive transfers from platforms like Venmo or PayPal. Official documentation portrays a useful, no-frills tool, but real-world reviews paint a more complex picture. G2 users recognize the convenience of early pay and digital access. One reviewer appreciated that associates can access their funds immediately. Users can also opt in to get paid 2 days earlier. However, there are usability drawbacks. One user lamented that the card lacks tap or chip support, meaning swipe-only transactions persist at certain merchants. Conversely, Trustpilot reviews reveal significant dissatisfaction. Many users cite customer service as a major pain point. One reviewer slammed it as a joke, complaining of scripted responses, frequent hangs, and overall unhelpfulness. Another accused Wisely of misleading practices regarding early pay, calling the experience the worst scam I've ever had. These complaints are echoed across multiple platforms, and even forums like Reddit. Users report card lockouts without notice, frustration with long card replacement times, and struggles to resolve fraud claims. One user summed it up bluntly: "They go ahead and lock your account without consulting you. The worst customer service I have ever experienced." On the flip side, other user reviews highlight ease of offer, easy to use and simple to understand, with a user-friendly design and efficient payment process being standout aspects. When weighing Wisely's strengths and weaknesses, here's what stands out. On the positive side, Wisely brings early direct deposit, clear fee structure like no hidden charges or no overdrafts, FDIC protection, mobile convenience, and access even for those without traditional accounts. The budgeting tools add value, and the rewards program delivers an added bonus for e-gift card purchases. However, the downsides are non-trivial. The card often relies on swipe-only transactions, lacking tap or chip capability, which feels dated. Replacement card delivery can take time, and users report that customer support is often unhelpful or slow. Fraud handling may be especially problematic for many. Delays, dismissals, or lack of responsiveness appear repeatedly in reviews. The card being prepaid also limits its functionality, like no overdraft, so planning around your balance is essential. In short, Wisely serves well for basic access and budgeting needs but falters in user support and transaction sophistication. Wisely is marketed as fee-friendly. There's no standard monthly fee for using the card, no minimum balance requirement, and no overdraft or ATM fees. In-network ATM withdrawals are surcharge-free, and other transaction fees are transparent. Since it's employer-backed and often offered as part of payroll, users may not pay anything to enroll. The rewards feature indirectly adds value, and the savings envelope promotes better financial behavior, all without hidden costs. That said, costs may still appear in edge cases like expedited card replacement or third-party bill pay services, so it's important to check the terms via the app. Value-wise, Wisely is a compelling no-fee banking alternative for those who struggle with traditional systems, but that value depends heavily on smooth customer support. If Wisely doesn't suit your needs, here are some alternatives. Traditional banks and credit unions offer debit cards with full ATM networks, tap or chip functionality, overdraft options, and better fraud support, albeit with potential fees or requirements. Mobile-first fintech options like Chime, Cash App, or Venmo provide early pay features, budgeting tools, and better user experiences, often with superior apps and support. Another employer-focused alternative is getting a standard direct deposit to a bank account, offering full banking functionality and better coverage for fraud or lost cards. Essentially, Wisely may be best if you need something simple and employer-supported, but users who value broader banking capabilities, reliable support, and modern features may find fintech alternatives more appealing. So what's the bottom line for the Wisely debit card in 2025? If you're someone without easy banking access, needing early payday, and just want a simple, fee-free way to receive and manage your earnings, Wisely is a convenient solution, especially when offered directly by your employer. Its early access, flexible reloads, and budgeting tools offer real utility. However, if you value comprehensive customer service, modern payment features like tap or chip, robust fraud dispute processes, and overall reliability, Wisely falls short. Users' frustrations across multiple platforms show significant gaps that can't be ignored. My recommendation: Wisely offers solid value for the right audience, especially unbanked or underbanked individuals seeking simple payroll access with no fees. But if you're expecting more traditional banking services, or if plans hinge on fast card replacement and dependable support, consider alternatives or at least have a backup account set up in case issues arise. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.